Now we'll understand whip. So whip office. Whip office is there for every party. It is not just for ruling party. Sir, first what is whip office? See, this is the office. For example, you take a political party. For example, BJP is there, Congress is there. Both are having the whip. The members need to adhere to the directions of the political party. Okay. So when some crucial decisions are to be taken, some crucial bills are to be taken, the political party feels like issue the whip. That is, directions are issued. Every political party, it may be ruling or opposition, it is having its own whip, not just ruling. They will test like only ruling party will be having whip, not like that. Any political party, it may be ruling or opposition, will have a whip office. Okay, so it is appointed by the political party to help them. That's it. It is not like any other like secretariat office. It is appointed by that political party. The purpose of this is to regulate and monitor the behavior of the members in the parliament. The political party has given a direction. Please, in this today's session, don't vote or vote against the bill or vote again in favor of the bill. Correct? Like this direction should be given. Anyway, they will never say vote against the bill because government itself is going to impose. But other party can say that vote against the bill or don't involve in the voting. Whatever the direction is given to the members need to be fulfilled. What happens if the direction given to them is not fulfilled? Okay, so a member is not following the order, the definitely disciplinary actions will be taken. Okay, he is charged with the responsibility of ensuring the attendance of his party members in large and securing their support in favor of or against a particular issue. The if is from opposition party, he wants to ensure that his political party members will vote against it. If he is from ruling party, he wants to ensure that everyone will vote in favor of him. Okay, and we have discussed this in I have raised this point in the yesterday's previous session, that is it not a violation of the fundamental right of the MPs? When a common man is having his right to vote whomever he likes, but MPs lacks that. Correct? Anyway, so that is the purpose of this office. Whatever the direction is given, that must be ensured. If that is not followed, then the disciplinary action will be taken. Okay, so that the meaning is members must follow the direction given by the whip. Okay, question is, for example, tomorrow is the voting. Some members are absconding. Tomorrow they will say that I am not aware of the whip. That's why I have put I did not come for voting. So the whip office will ensure that, because each minister, each MP will be given a particular office, so they will stick that whip order on their office wall. So they cannot say like I was not in the office. It is their duty, whenever who is there, his responsibility is to inform that MP. They cannot say like I am not aware of the whip. So this is how the party controls his members, so that the decision will be in favor of them, whether it's a ruling party or opposition party.